So this is the website where you can upload an Excel sheet and make a graph out of it, and also generate an AI summary of the graph which we have made. So this is the website where you can come, where you have to log in and all. This is a doc, and let's say this is the upload page where you can see I have already uploaded some and made some graphs. Let's do it once again. So once we upload a graph, you can see all the data over here on the Excel sheet, your name, and you can also remove it once again. You can add it. Okay, so this is the graph, and you can upload it. This has been uploaded over here. You can see that uploaded graph, and then the uploaded file, and then you can select the x-axis and the y-axis. For example, now currently I'm doing 2, and even you can change the name, like total sales, and even you can change the graph. If you want a line graph, you can make it line graph, or you can line graph. And I have saved this. Once it's saved, you can see them, and I also want a pie chart, for example, for a region and the expense with a pie graph. This is a pie graph. Let's make it a donut. Okay, let's do donut. It's good. Let's save this. And let's say that you want this graph in a PNG format, or you want this in a PDF. Then you can do, there's 2 ways, but one, you can use this report button. It will take you to a report page where you can select this 2. Like, you will see all the graphs. If you have, currently we have only done 2, so there's only 2. If you have multiple graphs already made, you can see I have used. So these are the graphs. You can select multiple ones. For now, currently I want this both, and let's say I want an AI summary for only this one. Then it will generate a small AI summary according to the data and graph which we have given. You can see AI generator. These are all summary made, and if let's say I didn't like this paragraph, I want it to be regenerated, you can do that too, and regenerate. And now it's changed. You can see that, and you can save this graph. After saving, you can do download this in a PDF format where you will get selected, like you will get this graph, then this summary, and then you will get the second graph. And if you have a summary over here, then you will get it. If you won't get it, and you can export it and generate in PDF, and you can see the PDF is over here. Let's open the PDF. You can see the graph we made. We have a top and sales, and this is a summary. You can see here, and the second pie chart we have made, and this is source data from where we got the data over here. You can see source table data. You can see over here. And let's say if there's another way, like when you go over here, and you can see, like, if you want only this this data over here, this is the area graph, and if you haven't generated over here, you can generate AI. You generate a small AI prompt. After that, after this, you can save it, and then you can if you say you only want this image, you can see there it is, that image of the graph. Or you want it in a PDF format with the graph, you will also look at the graph. Look, again, you can see this. This is something which can be useful for people and students to make graphs easily. And here in the profile page, you can see all your basic information, like how many files you have uploaded, how many charts you have created, how many reports you have generated, how many images you have downloaded, and how many PDFs you have downloaded. And there's a small recent uploaded files and recent charts. Here, recent reports. You can also download the reports in text format too. See, there are some stuffs which you can do in this website. And if you want the source code, or you can want to know how I have built it, you can comment on and ask me. I will most probably I'll be putting the video on how I made this. So all the best.